Hello, and once again, welcome back to Joel Smart KE, your number one channel, keeping you informed from both angles, the quadri angles. So welcome back to my channel, and today there is an update that we got from the media. Safaricom actually had some issues with the internet. So just before I go on, let me just read for you the note from the Safaricom, the update, actually custom update. So this is something that got me like wondering, what is the relationship between an undersea cable and the internet that we are using, from where we have got overhead transformers and all that. So this note got me worrying the relationship. So look at it this way, and I had to go further, do some research from other internet platforms to get it. So this is it. This is the note from Safaricom. Undersea cable cuts, custom update. We continue to monitor our network and service delivery to customers following yesterday's internet service degradation caused by multiple undersea cable cuts that deliver traffic in and out of Africa and affecting several countries. Remember, we are in Kenya. Thanks to our redundancy plans and capacity investment across multiple undersea cables, our services continue to be available. However, some customers may experience low connectivity and speeds. To address this, we are pursuing additional capacity with other undersea cable partners to take care of affected bandwidth and working with impacted cable providers for solution. We thank you for your patience and understanding. I was like, hey, so I went to the internet to research on this, what is the relationship, and look what I got. So in Kenya, right, my concern was in Kenya. So in Kenya and in many other countries, deep sea fiber optic cables play a crucial role in providing high-speed internet connections. These cables laid along the ocean floor connect different continents and enable the transmission of vast amounts of data across long distances. For Kenya specifically, the connection to these cables, such as the East African Marine System, TEAMS, SEACOM, and others, has significantly improved internet connectivity and reduced costs. Before the introduction of these cables, Kenya relied primarily on satellite connections, which were much slower and more expensive. Wow. Okay. With the advent of deep sea fiber optic cables, Kenya has experienced a surge in internet speeds and capacity, enabling advancement in various sectors such as education, business, and technology. These cables have facilitated the growth of industries like business processes, outsourcing, BPO, e-commerce, and digital services. However, it is essential to note that while the presence of deep sea fiber optic cables has greatly enhanced internet connectivity in Kenya, challenges such as last mile connectivity, infrastructure development, and affordability still exist, particularly in rural and underserved areas. Efforts are ongoing to address these issues and further expand access to reliable internet services across the country. Then I realized, okay, all right, so undersea cables, fiber optic is faster than the overhead, the satellite. And like what Elon Musk wanted to introduce, is it that thing that goes around? I'm forgetting the name, I'm coming for it. So it's not faster. Of course, that one was even helping people in Ukraine to locate terrorists, to locate Russians. Wow. Then internet is key. So guys, thank you for listening to that crap. I know it's not crap, it's information. And today I've also learned that we are consuming internet from undersea. Fiber optics is faster than overhead. Okay. Alright. Subscribe to my channel, Joel Smart KE. We are on road to 1000. Please guys, this is me. Let's grow together. Alas, thank you and see you in our next vlog.